Hello, everyone. The topic that will be presented now will be a presentation of how to make taku, one of the traditional Burmese snack. The main ingredients in taku are taku seed, jaggery, potatoes, and sweet potato. First, peel the sweet potato and potato. Then cut into small pieces with a knife. Wash the cut pieces of meat thoroughly with water. Then heat 500 milliliters of water and wait until the water boils. Add palm oil to the boiled leather and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. When the palm is ready, add the sweet potato and cover until soft. When the potatoes and sweet potatoes are soft, add the pureed taku seeds and keep stirring so that they don't stick. Depending on how thick you want it to be, you can eat the delicious taku when the taku seeds are soft.